We all love road trips, but keeping things truly frozen for days on end. That's usually a pipe dream, reserved for massive RVs. This Happybuy 45L portable freezer claims to hit -4 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively turning your trunk into a legitimate deep freeze. But can a 12-volt unit really deliver that kind of performance reliably? Let's talk size first. 45 liters, or 47.5 quarts, is massive. They claim it holds 48 cans of cola, and looking at the dimensions, 27 inches long, it's clear this is built for serious, extended trips. The structure is surprisingly well thought out for a rugged unit. You get a built-in LED light so you aren't fumbling in the dark, a removable basket for easy loading, handy handles, and even cup holders molded into the lid. These are nice touches that show they thought about real-world use, not just cooling capacity. The versatility here is key. It runs on standard wall power at home, but crucially, it handles 12 and 24-volt DC power for your car, truck, or RV. And for those worried about draining the vehicle battery while parked overnight, it has 3 levels of battery protection built right in. That is essential peace of mind when you're relying on this unit, far from civilization. Now, here's the important detail you absolutely need to know about this model. This is a dual-zone unit, but it operates with single control. The large compartment is where you set that freezing temperature, maybe down to that impressive -4 degrees. The smaller compartment is fixed refrigeration only. It's not independently adjustable. This is a trade-off, but it means you can keep your steaks frozen solid while still having a dedicated spot for drinks that aren't slushy. The app control is a modern bonus that I genuinely appreciate. Being able to check the temperature or adjust settings without having to crawl into the back of the SUV is incredibly useful, especially when you're setting up camp. And despite its size, the compressor is robust enough to handle bumpy roads and inclines, making it perfect for serious off-grid adventures, fishing, or long road trips. If you need serious, reliable freezing power on the go, and you appreciate the convenience of app control and robust battery protection, the Happybuy 45L is a powerful contender. Just remember that dual-zone limitation before you plan your packing strategy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.